Hey guys, what's up? Please make sure to drop a like and subscribe. But today I'm going to be showing you guys some free things that you guys could have claimed or still can claim in Chapter 2 Season 2 before, we hit it off with Chapter 3 Season 3. No, Chapter 2 Season 3. Whatever. Anyway, so you guys could have gotten this back bling from the Battle Pass, the free Battle Pass. But Epic actually came out with the edit styles. So here's all the edit styles. They're really cool, and they're really good for the Maya if you do have the Battle Pass. And we also got edit styles on a pickaxe, but you had to have the Battle Pass, so I didn't show it in this video. But anyway, so they're just really cool edit styles, and it makes you look like you have 5 backblings. Anyway, so if you guys hopped on Fortnite during one of these updates, you guys could have actually gotten this just by logging in. You guys didn't have to go into Party Royale. Since it was a Party Royale event, you guys did not have to hop into it, but you got the neon back bling wings. Next is the pickaxes, which usually we don't get a lot of pickaxes, but if, of course, you guys have the Battle Pass and you guys have edit styles of each one, I don't know why I'm showing off my TNTina one, but yep, that's there. And I was checking if they had gold versions, but they don't. But anyway, so you guys could have claimed this Steel Shadow pickaxe for totally free by just doing the Storm the Agency challenges. The challenges are super easy. They'll take you less than 30 minutes and you'll get 3 free things, which I will show you in this video. So now I'm showing you guys gliders. So guys, all you had to do, well, hold on. You guys, everyone gets this, so that's for free. And this glider, all you guys have to do is get 1 win. It doesn't matter what it's in. It could be in solo, duos, squads, just not an LTM like Team Rumble. And this glider, guys, this umbrella, is if you get 1 win this season. So, like I just said, solo, duo, squads, not any LTMs though, like Team Rumble or Party Royale, you can't even win, but yeah. So guys, this is something else that you guys get in the Storm the Agency challenges, which is a cool glider. It's really cool. It's a rare glider, and I suggest getting it because it's free. Why not have it? Anyway, the next glider that you guys could have claimed this season is a Travis Scott glider. It almost looks like a roller coaster, and it's super cool, super easy. All you guys had to do was log in. No, you had to do the Travis Scott challenges, and then you logged in and got it. So, super easy. Now, guys, let's move on to dances. So, you guys could have, of course, gotten the Travis Scott dance Rage email. Super cool, and all you had to do was a couple challenges. It took you less than 15 minutes. Super easy to do all of them in 15 minutes. Now, guys, a lot of people don't know this, but, well, a lot of people do know this. Boogie Down is free. All you guys have to do is enable 2FA, so if you guys know your password to your account, then you guys got it, technically. It's super easy, and if you guys want a video on that, then I'll do one. Now, of course, if you have the free Battle Pass, you'll receive Beep Beep and Call Me, but I'm not doing the free Battle Pass in this video. Next is gun wraps. So I want to show you guys a better version, as in the Scar. So here it is, and this one's actually animated, which all you guys had to do is log in. It was like a celebration for Epic. I was super into this gun wrap before it even came out, and now I'm super into it when it's coming out. So super cool gun wrap to claim, and if you guys were here for that, then you got it. Now, this is another Storm the Agency challenge. You guys could have actually gotten a gun wrap. You guys still can. And, guys, one thing I forgot to mention, which I have a video, I'll put a link down below. It is the Banana Badge free emoticon that a lot of people don't know about that you guys could have claimed. So, these are the Travis Scott loading screens that you guys could have also gotten, which is, you guys could have claimed 3 of them. 1, you did a challenge. 2, you just had to do all the challenges, and then you got them for free with the glider. So, of course, if you guys have the Battle Pass, you guys got the Deadpool thing for free. And next is an item shop free thing, which is Storm the Agency. It was free in the item shop. All you had to do was get it gifted to you. And one of my lovely fans gifted it to me, so thank you. And here is the Chapter 2 Season 2 loading screen. All you guys had to do was log in. They gave it to you. Now, next, people don't really talk about this, is banner icons. Now, a lot of you guys don't really care about banner icons, but there's some that you could have gotten for free, including the Travis Scott one, as always. You guys could have gotten that. Now, if you guys actually reach level 150, you guys will claim this one with the star under it, and the other one, I think you guys have to get to level 100, but I could be totally wrong. And you guys can claim 2 more banners. I just don't know what season. Not what level. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and of course, click that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully, Fortnite will come out with some free stuff that I could do a video on. And bye, guys.